Enrolling a child in school.
I want to enroll her.
What grade is she entering?
3rd grade, please.
What is her full name?
Emma Johnson.
Any documents with you?
Here is her birth certificate.
Thank you. One moment.
I have proof of address.
Yes, that helps too.
Here it is.
Thank you very much.
What about vaccination records?
Yes, those are required too.
I have those ready.
Perfect. That is everything.
When does school start?
Next Monday, actually.
I will mark that down.
Great. Please do.
Does she need school supplies?
Yes, a list is here.
Thank you for that.
You are very welcome.
Is lunch provided at school?
Yes, for a small fee.
How much does lunch cost?
$3 daily.
I will pack lunch instead.
That works too.
What time does school start?
8:15 every morning.
I will remember that.
School ends at 3.
Good to know. Thank you.
Any allergies to note?
No allergies, thankfully.
That is good to hear.
Does she need a uniform?
No uniform required here.
That is convenient, thank you.
Glad it works for you.
Who is her homeroom teacher?
Mrs. Carter, actually.
I look forward to that.
She is wonderful with kids.
That is reassuring, thank you.
You will love our school.
I am sure we will.
Any other questions today?
No, that covers everything.
Wonderful. Welcome to our school.
Thank you so much.
We are glad she joined.
I am glad too.
Thanks for choosing us.
Thank you for everything.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. See you Monday.
Parent-teacher conference. Thank you for meeting me.
Of course, happy to help.
How's she doing overall?
Quite well, actually.
That is good to hear.
She participates in class often.
I am glad to hear.
Her reading has improved greatly.
That makes me happy.
She struggles with math slightly.
How can I help her?
Extra practice would help.
I'll try that.
Here are some worksheets.
Thank you for these.
She is a kind student.
That means a lot.
She helps other classmates too.
I am proud of her.
You should be, truly.
Does she turn in homework?
Yes, almost always.
That is good to know.
She is very responsible.
Thank you for saying that.
Any concerns from your side?
She seems tired sometimes.
I have noticed that too.
Should I adjust her bedtime?
That could help, actually.
I will try that tonight.
Let me know the results.
I will, thank you.
She has many friends here.
That is wonderful to hear.
She is well liked, truly.
I am so relieved.
Any questions about her grades?
What is her overall average?
A solid B currently.
That sounds reasonable.
She can improve with practice.
We will work on that.
I appreciate your support.
Thank you for your patience.
Anytime happy to help.
When is our next meeting?
Next semester, typically.
I will mark that down.
Sounds good.
Thank you for your time.
My pleasure, truly.
Does she enjoy art class?
Yes, very much.
That is wonderful to hear.
She is quite creative.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too, take care.
Signing up for daycare. I need daycare, please.
How old is he?
2 years old.
What days do you need?
Monday through Friday, please.
What hours exactly?
8 to 5, please.
We can accommodate that.
That is wonderful news.
Great, glad to hear.
How much does it cost?
$200 weekly.
I understand, thank you.
Does he have allergies?
No allergies, thankfully.
Good to know.
Is lunch provided here?
Yes, fully included.
That is convenient, thank you.
We serve healthy meals.
That sounds great.
Anything else to add?
I have vaccination records ready.
Perfect, thank you.
What activities do you offer?
Arts, stories, and outdoor play.
That sounds wonderful.
Kids really enjoy it here.
I am glad to hear.
Can we schedule a visit?
Yes, that would help.
How about tomorrow morning?
That works for me.
We will see you then.
Thank you very much.
Any other questions today?
What is the caregiver ratio?
1 to 4 typically.
That sounds reassuring.
Safety is our priority.
I appreciate that so much.
We care deeply about kids.
That means a lot.
Do you have more questions?
When can he start?
As soon as next week.
That works perfectly.
We look forward to it.
I do too, honestly.
Thank you for choosing us.
Thank you for having him.
Our pleasure, truly.
Do you offer part-time options?
Yes, that is available.
Good to know. Thank you.
Happy to help you.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too, see you soon.
Arranging a babysitter. Can you babysit this weekend?
Yes, I am available.
Saturday evening, actually.
What time should I arrive?
6 o'clock, please.
I will be there.
Thank you so much.
How many kids total?
2 kids, actually.
What are their ages?
4 and 7.
Great, I love that age.
They will love you too.
What time should I leave?
Around 10, probably.
That works for me.
How much do you charge?
$15 hourly.
That sounds fair to me.
Any allergies I should know?
No allergies, thankfully.
Good to know.
Dinner is already prepared.
Perfect, thank you.
Bedtime is at 8.
I will remember that.
They love bedtime stories too.
I love reading stories.
They will enjoy that.
Any screen time rules?
1 hour maximum.
Understood, no problem.
My number is on paper.
I will keep it handy.
Thank you for that.
Anytime, happy to help.
This means a lot, truly.
I am happy to help.
You are wonderful with kids.
Thank you for saying that.
I really mean it.
That makes me happy.
Do you need anything else?
No, I am all set.
Great, thank you again.
Looking forward to Saturday.
Me too, honestly.
See you then.
Do you have references?
Yes, happy to share.
That would be helpful.
I will send them today.
Thank you for that.
Of course, no problem.
Have you babysat twins before?
Yes, several times actually.
Thanks for everything.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too, see you soon.
Scheduling. A pediatrician visit. I need a checkup, please.
For which child exactly?
My daughter, Lily.
What is the reason?
A routine checkup.
How old is she?
5 years old.
What days work for you?
Tuesday or Wednesday, please.
Wednesday at 10 works.
That works perfectly.
Any symptoms to mention?
No symptoms, thankfully.
Good, just a checkup then.
Yes, exactly.
Do you have insurance information?
Yes, right here.
Thank you, one moment.
I appreciate your patience.
Any vaccines needed this visit?
I'm not sure, actually.
The doctor will check.
That sounds good.
Please arrive 15 minutes early.
I will remember that.
Bring her insurance card too.
I will bring it.
Great, thank you.
How long is the visit?
About 30 minutes, typically.
That sounds reasonable.
The doctor is very thorough.
That is reassuring. Thank you.
She is wonderful with kids.
I am glad to hear.
Lily will feel comfortable.
That puts me at ease.
Any other questions today?
Is parking available there?
Yes, right outside.
Good to know, thanks.
Happy to help you.
Thank you for scheduling this.
Anytime, that is my job.
You are great at it.
Thank you for saying that.
I mean it, truly.
We will see you Wednesday.
Yes, we will be there.
Thanks for everything.
Do you take walk-ins too?
Sometimes if space allows.
Good to know. Thank you.
Happy to help.
Is the doctor board certified?
Yes, fully certified.
You are very welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too, see you Wednesday.
Take care now.